बुद्धि दो गणेश, ज्ञान प्रदायिनी सरस्वती, धनेश्वर्य दाता लक्ष्मी देवेंद्रम नमो नमः. Hello kids, how are you all? Doing great? Yes. Today is the 6th day of Ganeshotsav. And today again I am going to tell you a short story about Ganesha and Parvati's wound. Let's get going.
It was a beautiful day in Kailash. Nature boomed in all its beauty. Flower-laden trees dropped their colorful blossom gently on the green grass. Ganesha, the little boy, lived on Mount Kailash with his parents Shiva and Parvati. And little Ganesha asked his mother, "Can I go out and play?" Mata Parvati said, "Yes, you can." Ganesha, the little boy, chased butterflies, but he got tired of this game and sat on a large stone thinking what to do next. Suddenly, he heard a sound coming from somewhere behind him. His eyes lit up as he saw the animal that was coming. It was a cat. Ganesha said, "Ah, I got a companion to play with." Ganesha got up and caught hold of that cat and said, "Not bad, you are really a cute cat." The cat wriggled and desperately tried to break free, but Ganesha would not let it go. Ganesha grabbed that cat and dropped it again and again. The cat gave a loud yowl. Ganesha then dropped the cat in a pool of mud. Its whole body was covered with mud. It meowed piteously. And then Ganesha said, "I think I have played with you long enough. Now you can go free." The moment Ganesha let the cat go, it ran away. When Ganesha reached home, he was horrified. He saw Mata Parvati's lovely garments were torn and smeared all over with mud. Her face, hands, and hair were also smeared with dirt. Mata Parvati was groaning in pain. "Ah, I cannot tolerate the pain." Ganesha became furious. He went to her side and asked, "Mother, what has happened to you? Who has done this to you? Tell me so that I may punish him." Mata Parvati said, "My dear son, forget it." Ganesha said, "No, mother, tell me." Mata Parvati said, "Who can do this to me except you? It was you, my son. No one else but you." Ganesha was stunned. "Me? No, mother. I could never do a thing to hurt you. Nor could I ever smear dirt on your beautiful body." Mata Parvati said, "It was you, my son. Didn't you catch me, hold me in your grip, and pull me by the tail? And didn't you drop me again and again? You pushed me down into the mud. Tell me. Ganesha remembered at what he did with the cat, and he realized what he had done. Pardon me, mother. I am sorry. I now know that you dwell in all forms and bodies. It was wrong of me to have hurt that poor cat. It was as equal as to hurt you, my beloved mother. I promise you that hereafter I shall never hurt any living being again. Mata Parvati smiled and she became beautiful as before and said, "It is a lesson not only for you, my child, but for everyone. We should never be cruel to any creature, no matter how small or insignificant." So children, moral of the story is we should not harm any living creature. We should treat all animals in a gentle manner with care and affection. Yes, children, we should never be cruel to any creature. We should give them love and care. Yes? Bye bye. Good day.